Hello and welcome to rotaxowner.com. Today, Rotax released a new service instruction titled Installation of a Propeller by usage of round neck nut set for Rotax engine type 912, 914, and 912i series engines. Below this applicability table, there is a note stating propeller installation using a round neck nut set is not possible with the. Now let's jump back to page 1 of the document and look at the reason for this service instruction. Section 1.3 states the reason for this service instruction as follows. The remainder of the service instruction is straightforward and self-explanatory, providing clear instructions on how to install or remove the round neck nut sets. However, there is one more noteworthy point we would like to cover. In the material information section, specifically subsection 2.5 on page 4 of the document, if you wish to receive critical safety information for your Rotax aircraft engine, please subscribe to rotax-owner.com.